GCU, put your hands together for the Toolbox.
Nobody likes the 80s.
So there's thousands of new girls on campus. Have you seen any cute ones?
Yeah, I've seen a few. I just want to be someone's boyfriend. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. I could take a position and I could do fun. Baby, take a chance, you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands, so I really like to go.
Never let you go. Keep you on my arm, girl, and never be alone. Come on, Dean, you gotta teach these fine women how to wiggle. Guys, come on. We gotta teach these girls how to be loyal.
Pastor Tim, Dean Ann, aren't you glad we asked you to be judges?
Oh, for real?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Man, look at it.
How many hours did you guys practice to do this?
Man, we practice a lot.
Thank you for keeping your shirts on.
Alright, judges, any feedback, comments?
The first thing I said to Tim is if they keep their shirts on, they get an extra points.
You know, I wonder if there's a watching, like splits or flips or anything along those lines, you would have had higher marks. So, very flexible. I would agree. I was thinking the exact same thing. We were too. So, flexibility, great. Fabulous.
Thank you, we appreciate that. I just want to make a little quick shout out to everyone in the room. It's Patrick's 21st birthday.